This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. We start the day by going to this place called Alol Kids Castle. It's similar concept like you've seen before in Thailand. They have a child-friendly playground with some food available also, and place to sit and so on, and also outside. So yeah, you pay for 100 baht per kid, an adult 50 baht, but then you get the coupon 50 baht, so you actually get it back if you buy some food. So yeah, so well, we just want the kids to play and have fun. But actually it's like you pay for inside, but then outside you can play as long as you like. So yeah, I guess we'll play inside first and then go outside. So want the kids to activate and use energy, and then when it's time to sleep, then we can drive back to Chiang Mai around noon. Wow, they have so much stuff here, and the toys are in quite good condition. Actually, lots of this is wood, not plastic, that tends to break down easily. Not my yang. Isabel will always just take the toy away from Axel. Poor baby. You know, Axel is gonna be bigger and stronger than Isabel one day. Huh? You better watch out. Your time is gonna come one day. I noticed the details. They padded these all the places that. Well, actually not all of them, but at least you have the pillar here. It's padded. It's great. It's bad. He's so cute. He's working at 7-Eleven now. Tit. Okay, next. Here we go. A hot dog. Alright, we go for some lunch here. Kid-friendly food. We have the fries, nuggets, fried rice. We have to spec it without eggs and chicken. Oh, you like it? Oh yeah. Look chin. Oh yes. And then I think that's the spicy stuff for wifey. And actually, that stuff, it's not that sweet. So that's good. And then some tea for me. I try to avoid tea. Iced tea is not good for my kidney stone, but then I did only get 4 hours of sleep last night. Wow, they're playing this song again. I think I hear it at least 100 times per year. Yeah. So comment if you're fed up with Mariah Carey. All I want for Christmas is you. Careful, Achtung, Achtung, get down, get down. Yeah, he doesn't like to be strapped in. Nice, they also have playground outside. There's some stuff you can play with water here. I like the small details that they put some sunshade there, and there's a big tree here also for shade, and then they put sand, and wow. So there is limitation inside. There's actually a 2-hour time slot. Well, you can play, you have to be here on the hour, like 10 or noon or 2 in the afternoon or 4 in the afternoon. And then after that 1 hour 45-minute time is over, then they actually spend 15 minutes cleaning and tidying up everything. But outside here, there's no time limit. You can play as long as you like. Man, this is heaven. Yeah, you need to activate the kids. Lots of toys outside. Wow. Highly recommended for families. Wow, they really thought about everything. Here we have towels you can grab. 20 baht each only. Yeah. Oh yeah, great. Hey, what's upstairs here? I have to check it out. Probably some place you can... Wait, huh? What's this? Oh, okay. Oh, they have solar panels, of course. But, wow, there's a lot. Wait, let me see, how many panels there? 4, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's around 10 kilowatt, I think. I'm not sure how much each of these are. But they seem kind of smutsish. So maybe, well, they can probably just run the hose and then clean it. But Not sure, this schmutz could maybe reduce the efficiency slightly, or you know, the output by, I don't know, 5%. Ich weiß nicht. But wow, very impressive indeed. Highly recommended. Oh, the kids, they love playing with water. That is brilliant. We should have some of these at home in Cheongdao. It'll get a bit wet, but that's fine. We have extra clothes we can change. All for the kids. Yeah. And since we are traveling home today, then we also bring Doraemon. So yeah, well, when we came here around 2.5 hours ago, the cars, they were in the shade. The sun was over there, but now the sun has moved over here. So it's getting hot outside, right? But at least the IM6 has the pet mode, or what they will call it, active. You know, you can see it there. So it should keep the climate on, but I can actually not hear it. So I was wondering, is it still running? You can barely hear it. So actually the HVAC here is very nice and quiet. And then, well, they are MG, both of them actually. It says MG here in the back. I'm not sure how it was in Norway. But then Doraemon found out, yeah, so you have an app. It's an updated app, newer app. But you can only see battery status in percent. But then I couldn't start HVAC from the app, so I had to subscribe. It cost 1,590 baht, which is around 44 euros per year actually. But I went for it. So yes, the MGs in Thailand, they have the iSmart, so that's probably the app thingy, and it's Brit Dynamic, yeah. So yeah, unfortunately in Europe, then the first generation ZS EV does not have any communication, any app support. But here it's actually very nice. Yeah, so then the only minus is that it runs for only 10 minutes at a time, but it tends to go quite high on the, you know, maybe not full blast, but yeah, it's good enough to cool down the car before we enter it, for example. Well, someone's been playing all day. He's knocked out now. Way overdue. He normally sleeps at noon. It's 1 in the afternoon now, so we have to get going back to Cheongdao. Well, I thought the kids were gonna sleep, but they woke up. We were in the stoplight for too long, 10 minutes. They're just playing songs now, slow poking, hoping that maybe Axel will fall asleep. Also Isabel eventually. Isabel loved this song. Yeah, she used to listen to it when she was a baby. She remember it. Yeah, she actually sings to it, this and many other songs.
Sean Marie Sean Guri tung amore saya
We just passed Metang. We have about half an hour left until we are in Cheongdao. And finally the kids are asleep. This trip has taken a really long time, mainly because people are so slow getting off the red light, man. Like, you could bicycle faster than how they accelerate. Well, okay, they're trying to get past the traffic, keep it flowing, so the kids will stay asleep. And they'll be home soon. And just like on the way south, we have now really low consumption, 120 watt-hour per kilometer. That is simply amazing. there goes the MG. So she was following me. We drove slow, but then the kids, they were awake for so long, so they have been sleeping only for 20 minutes. So the plan now is that wifey will just go straight home. She doesn't need to slowpoke. She can plug in and get a bit of solar charging. And then I need to drive for a while, about 45 more minutes, so that kids won't be too grumpy tonight. Well, she's hammering it. Wife is hammering it. Go schnell, wifey. We are back in Chiang Mai. Wow, it's hot here, 30 degrees Celsius. Consumption was staggering low, only 116 watt-hour per kilometer. But we did drive slow, of course, but we also went uphill even. Wow, not too bad. And then how hot is the battery in these temperatures? Well, only 28.5 to 31 degrees. So yeah, it takes a while for the battery to heat up, but it was cooling down during the night. Isabel, we're gonna go inside now. She woke up. Axel is still asleep. Here's the little princess. She woke up. She had about 1 hour sleep. Yeah, well, it's nice to be back in Chiang Mai. You know, several years ago, Chiang Mai was not that developed. I mean, they're getting kind of like shopping mall, like castle. Maybe I'll show it later. It's not gonna finish the time we are here. I think it seems like maybe finishing in at least 1 to 2 months. But that was before, you know, especially during COVID, everything was shut down, but even before COVID. But now there are so many restaurants and cafes and stuff around here in Chiang Mai. So it's not that boring anymore to stay in Chiang Mai. But of course, sometimes we want to buy some stuff, or we will have some errands, like getting the ZSEV, then we have to go to Chiang Mai. But yeah, it's nice to be back home. So what do I think about the MG IM6? I think it's a nice car. It's spacious, comfy, really quiet in there. I noticed when cars were passing by us when we were driving so slow, I barely can hear them, you know? So yeah, in a couple of days now, actually tomorrow morning, I will drive to Doi Kang. I want to see how rear-wheel drive can handle it up the hills and back again. Well, it has red brake calipers. Are those Brembo brakes? Oh yes, absolutely. Actually, never mind. That's no Brembo brake. Okay, whatever. Oh, there's some curb rash there. Oh, shit. Well, I mean, the car is done 27K, so it has a little bit of damage here and there. Not caused by me, fortunately. But yeah. And then I will do the Sunday drive, but I noticed also that the traffic has increased. New Year traffic going to the north now. All the people from Bangkok coming over here, man. So that will also be a challenge in 3 days from now. No, in 2 days on there. Oh shit. Yeah, in 2 days I'll be traveling back to Bangkok with this car. I will drive like an old man, probably maybe hit 600 kilometers per hour. Like 600 kilometers. I want to see how low the consumption will be with this car. Is it going to match the Jacob 5, for example? Or Tesla? Well, possibly not. And then after that, I'll be borrowing Avatar 11. Avatar is a premium brand here in Thailand. It costs almost twice as much as this IM6, and this is considered premium MG. So I'm eager to see how Avatar is, how awesome that car is. But overall though, it's a nice car. Yeah, nice family car. Indeed, I like it. I think, however, that the software could have been tuned slightly better. Yeah, it kind of drives me nuts, but maybe, you know, that's not important for most other people who buy this car. Anyway, I think that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.